Each business, either a small business or a major organization that arrangements with enormous amounts of cash, needs cash counters. These ventures can save lots of time and cash. Counting cash by hand appears to be a troublesome errand. The two major issues while counting cash without machines will recall the number like clockwork and recognizing certified and fake. You can't do that effectively, isn't it so? So on the off chance that you are a business and you need to manage truckload of cash, you really want the best cash counters for organizations to quickly and appropriately count or sort banknotes or coins. Contingent upon every one of the requirements of organizations, we have picked the cash counting machines, which are not quick however sturdy and reasonable for all organizations. It's an ordinary scene in generally little, cash-concentrated organizations. The bookkeeper is counting a major heap of cash, and they make a screw-up that has been uncovered past the point of no return, influencing the business tasks and arranging. These counting mistakes can likewise prompt business misfortunes, disappointment among workers, and bother for clients. We have checked on the top cash counter machines and ordered a thorough purchasing manual to assist you with purchasing the right item for yourself. So why stand by? Hello my friends. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I recommend best money counters. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the Clever Productions brand. With advanced detectors and 2 CIS technology that detects both sides of bills, this machine ensures accuracy and authenticity while counting up to 1,500 bills per minute and saves your time. The money counting machine comes with a premium 4-inch touch TFT display screen, allowing you to easily control the counter and monitor the total number of bills in the stack, and also it saves your time by displaying the clear breakdown of quantity and value by denomination and serial number. This cash counter features UV, IR, magnetic sensors, size detection, and serial number recognition to ensure bill authenticity. The dual CIS technology detects both bill sides and guarantees accurate value counting, and also it has 11 counterfeit detection methods to ensure your bill's authenticity and keep you a peace of mind when you deal with heavy cash counting work. This bills counting machine offers 5 operating options, including single and mixed denomination count, multi-currency counting, and a batch mode to facilitate any cash counting task. Made of durable materials that will stand the test of time and regular use, this money counter machine is a must-own accessory for any small business, bank, or restaurant. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. We continue with the number 4 that is part of the DETECK brand. While other mixed bill money counter machines constantly report errors and keep resetting, the Edge DT800 is the perfect solution for a 100% accurate and reliable mixed currency counter machine. You can pull out a detailed on-screen report with grand total amount, quantity of bills and value by denom, connect it easily to printer. We value your priorities. If you deal with a large amount of cash and want to have a peace of mind, the Edge DT800 mixed denomination money counter with counterfeit bill detection accurately scans notes for authenticity, providing maximum security using advanced sensors UV, MG, IR, MT, 2 CIS, and serial number recognition. You will never have to worry again about fake bills confiscated by the bank. Operate with confidence. Mixed value counting and sorting at the end of the day has never been smoother and faster. The Edge DT800 cash counting machine has a high-capacity hopper and a built-in reject pocket, which means all suspicious notes go straight to that tray. It means you can maintain a continuous count with no interruption, especially if you sort bills by denomination, batch, face, or orientation. All you have to do is plug it in and turn it on. Worth the money. If you are tired of counting money by hand and want to save time to focus on your business without worrying about jammed or flying bills, DT800 Money Counter mixed denomination industry-leading roller friction system made in the USA and widened impeller will allow you to accurately count up to 1,200 notes per minute with no interruption. Number 3 in our top is from the Kolibri brand. The Kolibri Domino is the professional-grade cash counter you need for all your business money counting needs. It quickly counts a stack of mixed denomination bills, sorts them by denomination, and provides the total value counted. Highly reliable and accurate, it can process USD, CAD and MXN bills at a speed of 1,200 bills per minute. The Kolibri Domino has multiple modes and functions to speed through cash counting, drawers preparation, bank deposits and end-of-day settlements to fit all business requirements. It also includes counterfeit detection to ensure accuracy. Designed and engineered in the US. Supports all North American currencies USD, CAD, MXN. Designed and engineered in the US with Kolibri expertise in cash handling equipment. The Kolibri Domino is a professional-grade machine that protects business from counterfeits. With 100% accuracy, it meticulously scans notes for authenticity, providing maximum security using innovative 2CIS, ultraviolet, infrared, magnetic sensors as well as half-chain double bills detection and serial number recognition. Interface designed for optimal navigation with a large TFT display which provides a detailed on-screen report that can be printed and saved for a record. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Number 2 in our top is from the MUNBYN brand. Bill counter machine mixed denomination counts and reports total value, clear breakdown of quantity and value by denom and serial number. Besides, supports multi-currency value counting. Available to print them all with IMC01 PR, ideal for the small business, gas station, police department, bank. Unlike common mixed denomination money counter, IMC01 money counting machine with 2 contact image sensors, detects and reads 2 sides of every counted bill like human eyes. The accuracy of value counting is 3 times than one CIS machine, no matter brand new, worn, slight ripped and damaged banknote. Money counter machine mixed denomination boosts your efficiency on cash counting job with following functions: mixed denomination, manual sorting based on first denomination or currency, ADD, batch, ADD and batch, auto or manual counting, print. Ideal for small business or bank to deal with heavy cash counting job. Mixed denomination currency counter has 11 counterfeit detection methods to ensure your bill's authenticity. Cash counter mixed denomination saves your effort and keep you a peace mind when you deal with a heavy cash counting work. 2CIS, UV, MG, IR, MT and SN recognition, effective against super dollar. The number 1 product is part of the Kolibri brand. The Kolibri backloading bill counter allows you to quickly and accurately count the money your business generates. Speed through stacks of cash in no time with its 1,500 bills per minute counting speed. Never worry about the accuracy of a count again, as the Kolibri bill counter utilizes advanced technology, ultraviolet, magnetic, and infrared detection, to ensure each count is correct and to stop any suspect counterfeit bills. The large and clear LED display with the intuitive control panel and automatic mode make the Kolibri bill counter the perfect product for effortless cash counting. It includes multiple operational modes to cover all your business's counting needs. The simple count mode will give a total count of all bills passed through the machine. Add mode makes use of the Kolibri's large LED screen to provide a running tally of all bills counted. Batch mode will count out the selected number of bills to easily separate a stack into the amount needed, and add plus batch will separate out needed batches while also keeping a tally of all bills counted. Which money counter would you like to buy? Leave us a comment below. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you next time. Goodbye.